What is happening, guys? Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I got my hands on something very interesting. So these days a lot of people usually keep looking to buy a powerful and feature packed tab at a reasonable budget price, right? You guys came to the right video. So what I'll be showing in this video is not like an ordinary tab, guys. This is a hybrid 2-in-1 tab and can even be used as a PC as well. So this product is from this company called as Brave, and in fact this is a very first product in the Indian market. So I was actually curious, like it's a new brand, right? How is your overall quality of the product? What sort of performance you can expect over here? Because the kind of spec and configuration they were offering was quite interesting for this price point. That is the reason today I got my hands on it and we'll be doing a detailed analysis and I'll share my detailed review, guys. So make sure to watch it till the end. So the brand's main motive is to offer premium quality items at a reasonable price point and is specifically targeting younger generation audience, students, creators and young entrepreneurs. See, there are plenty of tabs already available in the market, but most of them target specific requirements. Like for example, if you're looking at an entertainment tablet, right, it is specifically made for that purpose only. Or maybe if you're looking for a tablet for professional or creative sort of usage, it is made for that purpose only. But this one over here, the Brave Arc, is made for mixed sort of usages. You're getting a great display for entertainment and you're getting powerful Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chipset as well for gaming performance. And not only that, main highlight, as I've told you, you can not only use it like a tablet but even use it like a full-on PC with this optional keyboard accessory included in the package. And that is the reason I'm very excited. As I've told you guys, spec and configuration definitely look quite promising. We'll anyhow talk about all of that in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So our brand new tab, the Brave Arc, comes in this sort of packaging. Very flashy looking box, right, with all the silver coloring everywhere. You've got the Brave branding on the front, some details about the product as well. And going to the back side here, you can check out the model info and configuration. I believe the tablet comes only in one color, which is called as Galactic Blue, and is available in two different variants. So one variant you get without keyboard, and our particular variant comes with a Bluetooth keyboard included in the package. There you go, boys. As soon as you open the package, we have our brand new Brave Arc at the top side, neatly packed like this. Keeping the tab aside, in the package you're also getting some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. Plus some freebie stickers are also there. You're also getting an included Stylus pen, guys, the Brave Arc pen, and you can use it for creative applications, drawing, artistic stuff. We'll definitely come there and talk about that. Along with that, you're getting a 33-watt fast charger included and a Type-C cable for the power adapter. Keeping the tab aside, in the package you're getting a free Brave case as well, and this case also has an included kickstand, and the color also matches with the tab's color, guys. And lastly, on the bottom side, this is the Bluetooth keyboard accessory I was talking about. Now, initial impressions, quality of the keyboard definitely looks interesting, and this one attaches magnetically to the tablet. So that's it. These are all the items you got in the package. Now let me give you a closer look at the product, and first of all talk about the whole design and build quality part. So there you go, guys, our very first hands-on the tablet. And initial impressions, the Brave Arc actually looks quite big, guys. I mean, you're getting a massive 12.95 inches display on the front, right? And look at the whole design as well. I've told you at the beginning, you're getting a premium look and feel for this price point. The entire body is made of metal. You're getting a metal uni body design in this beautiful galactic blue color. Anyways, let me give you a complete overview and start off from the front profile. On the front, you're getting a massive 12.95 inches 2.8K high resolution 144Hz IPS display, and bezels also look reasonably thin. But one thing you might notice is the tab comes with a pre-applied screen guard from the factory, so definitely appreciate that. Going to the top side here, you'll find that there's a 5 megapixel selfie camera. So in case if you want to use this tablet maybe for business meetings or maybe some sort of online classes, yes, you can easily use that. Going to the right profile here, you'll find some buttons which include a power button and volume rocker just below that. There's also a micro SD card slot, so yes, the storage on it is easily expandable up to 1 TB. Going to the top side here, you'll find that you're getting some speaker cutouts. In fact, the tablet comes with 8 speakers on board, 4 tweeters, 4 woofers, and even has DTS audio support. So you're getting 2 speakers on the front, 2 speakers on the bottom side. There is nothing much on the left profile. You're only getting some pogo pin magnetic connectors. Basically, this is where you'll be attaching that Bluetooth keyboard we got in the package. And that is pretty much it, guys. On the bottom side, I've told you, you're getting some speaker cutouts and a USB-C port at the center. So that's it, our complete overview on the side profiles. And here's how the back profile of the tab looks like. Beautiful color scheme, guys. I love the metallic finish, though I do have to mention it does attract a little bit of fingerprint, so you might have to keep cleaning it once in a while. There's nothing over here, clean design. You just have the Brave logo, which kind of looks like an octopus. Going to the top left corner, here is where you'll find the camera layout. Very minimal camera bump, guys, and you're getting a 13 megapixel autofocus camera at the backside, along with a single LED flash. And the main thing is the whole tab is powered by a super big battery, guys, almost like 14,550 milliampere battery, which is one of a kind in its segment. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors, the design and build quality. Build quality is also very good, definitely feels quite stable and durable. And look at the thickness as well. Despite packing such a big battery, right, the thickness of this tab is only around like 7.6 mm, and weight is also not that heavy, guys. It's roughly around like 706 grams, so travel friendly is what I can say. You can easily throw it in your backpack and take it around anywhere. So what I'll do is I'll quickly power it on, and then we'll jump into the home screen and talk about the software, built-in apps and features. But before we get started, let me connect these accessories to the tablet and show you how it looks like. So the case fits very nice, but I do have to mention, case feels quite solid and durable, guys, and adding the case definitely makes the tab feel a little bulky. But see, on the positive side, it'll keep your tab safe without any sort of scratches or nothing like that. Good thing is the case also comes included with a kickstand at the back side that is adjustable. So in case if you want to watch some movies or something, you want to place the tab on a surface, tabletop surface, right, you can easily do that. And here's the Bluetooth keyboard accessory I was talking about. It's optional, you'll have to buy it like a separate variant. In the regular base variant of the tab, you're not getting this keyboard, so definitely keep this point in mind. And main highlight of this keyboard is, using it you can completely transform the tab into a literal laptop, guys, kind of PC experience over here. Let me give you a closer look and talk about the key quality and touchpad as well. You're getting a full QWERTY keyboard, and quality of the keys is also nice. The key travel, everything feels nice. Quality of the key caps is also good. Again, I've told you, right, you're getting white LED backlighting, and yes, the brightness on it is also adjustable on the go using this Alt key, plus a breathing effect is also included. Anyways, moving on, here's how the home screen experience on the Brave Arc tab looks like. So the tab comes with like Android version 15 out of the box, and the brand did mention that it will be getting Android version 16 very soon. In fact, the tab supports like 3 years of OS upgrade, so not an issue at all. And if you look at the home screen, the animations, transitions, app opening, closing, everything, right, feels like Musca smooth over here. Added to that, you're also getting like high refresh rate, right, up to 144 Hz. So everything feels pretty nice navigating on the home screen. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the built-in apps, features, and yes, you're also getting some note-taking applications because the tab does come included with a stylus pen, right? So we'll come there and talk about the stylus pen performance, basically what you can do at a later part in the video. So that's it about the complete overview on the software experience. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some demo videos over here, just have a look at them, and then we'll talk about the overall display quality and built-in speakers performance. So at the beginning only I've told you, right, the Brave Arc tab features a 12.95 inches 2.8K high resolution display, and main highlight is it supports up to 144 Hz high refresh rate. So I've been using this tab for the last couple of days and binged watched a variety of content, and overall display quality was like pretty good for this price point. There is a great amount of detail. 2.8K resolution at 12.95 inches was producing like crisp and clear detail. All the text is like easily readable, not an issue at all. If you ask about the contrast ratio is also nice and decent black levels. And coming to colors, see, you're getting an IPS panel over here, and quality of this panel is pretty good for this price point. I mean, look at these colors over here, specifically primary colors like reds, blues and greens, pretty much on point is what I can say. In fact, the panel supports up to like 96% sRGB color gamut range. So not only for like entertainment or gaming purpose, even if you want to use the tab's display for a bit of productivity or creativity, right, it is more than sufficient. Will easily get your job done. Viewing angles are also nice, all thanks to its IPS panel. And coming to the brightness of the tab is also very good, guys. The panel can easily hit around like 650-700 nits also, and I had no issues checking out the display in most of the situations. On the overall, for the price that you're paying, right, you'll be like quite happy and satisfied with the kind of display the brand is offering over here. Keeping that aside and coming to the speakers, I've told you, right, the Brave Arc features octa speakers, 8 speakers on board, good vocal clarity, all the dialogues were like crisp and clear, easily audible and understandable. Treble performance is also nice, and for media consumption or entertainment purpose, right, you'll be like quite happy and satisfied. In fact, you're also getting a special DTS audio app as well, where you can easily select different EQ profiles as per your requirements. So keeping all that aside, let's actually get to the main question, like how's the overall performance of this tab, because this is a part you people have been waiting for, right? But before we get to the benchmarks and do some gaming tests, first of all, let me tell you about the kind of hardware configuration and spec the brand is offering for this price point. So the Brave Arc is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 octa-core chipset, and you're also getting Adreno 732 GPU on board, guys. Not to miss out, you're also getting a Qualcomm Hexagon NPU as well. So even if you want to use this tablet maybe for some AI related workloads, maybe you're like a student or you're an engineer, you're using this tablet for learning education purpose in AI field, right? That NPU could definitely help you out. Pair that with like 12 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of storage. It is more than sufficient, guys, and is actually a great configuration at this price point. And good thing is storage is also expandable using a micro SD up to 1 TB. See, I've been using this tablet as my daily driver for the last couple of days, doing variety of things, guys, like my regular office works, checking out mails, and also running Chrome tabs in the background, handling multiple applications as well. And let me tell you, for your casual day-to-day experience, tab was running very nice, guys. I mean, if you talk about the app transitions, closing, opening, everything feels so smooth on the home screen. Keeping that aside, I have also ran a couple of benchmarks as well. Just have a look at the scores. Coming to the gaming performance, first of all, let me tell you, this is not like a gaming oriented tablet, but that doesn't mean you cannot play games on it. It is very well capable and can easily handle most of your favorite AAA titles, either it be BGMI, Asphalt 9, or even Genshin Impact, guys. To give you like a small demo, right now we're running Genshin Impact, and quickly going to the settings, you can have a look at the graphic profiles as well, set to high profile and 60 FPS enabled in the settings. And as you can see, overall gameplay feels nice and stable, and despite playing for like 20-25 minutes also, gaming performance was nice and very well optimized tab is what I can say. I didn't face any sorts of lags, frame drops, nothing like that. Overall smooth performance. But again, as I've told you guys, it's not like a gaming oriented tablet. It is more like an all-rounder sort of tablet made for like creative usage, a bit of productivity, college student activities, and yes, it can easily handle your casual gaming needs as well. Overall, quite satisfactory performance for the price point. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part. How is the Stylus pen performance? So I've been using it for like writing notes in an artistic way, or maybe for like drawings, creating like really nice artistic panels, and it was doing a good job. Tab was easily recognizing the Stylus inputs, and best part is the latency, the lag was like quite a minimum, especially considering the price point. I was totally not expecting that. I've already told you at the beginning, right? It is more than a tablet. It's an Android 2-in-1 PC and can be super useful for students, creators, or even young entrepreneurs. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery. Battery life is the main highlight over here, guys. This tab, the Brave Arc, literally features one of the biggest battery in this segment. You're getting 14,550 mAh lithium-ion battery, and battery life is very good over here. Again though, it can totally depend on the individual and their kind of usage. On a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 55-60%, you're checking mails, doing office related works, day-to-day activities, maybe watching some videos on YouTube, and with these sort of activities, right, you can easily get around like 9 to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. But if you're like a heavy user, you're using the tablet for like creativity, using that stylus a lot, set the brightness around like 75%, and also game in a bit, right, then you'll only get around like 5 to 6 hours of battery life. But not to worry, it comes bundled with a 33-watt fast charger and also supports PD and QC fast charging, so that'll quickly top up the battery. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the warranty part, right? So the brand is offering like a standard 1-year warranty on manufacturing defects, and apart from that, you can scan the QR code in the box and get additional 1-year free extended warranty or 6 months of accidental display protection. Apart from that, if you ask about the serviceability, well, the brand mentioned that they've got wide range of service networks spread across India. They're having around like 320 plus authorized service centers and can cater up to 21,000 plus pin codes across India, and also offer doorstep delivery available in 3K pin codes. I'll try to leave all the details in the description box below. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. That was our video on Brave Arc, which is a hybrid 2-in-1 tab cum PC. What do you people think? Definitely share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And lastly, coming to the pricing details, as I've told you, it's available in 2 different variants. You get with and without keyboard edition. The base variant, which does not come with the keyboard, the pricing for that starts around 37,999 rupees. And the keyboard variant, which I've shown you in this video, right, it costs around 42,999 rupees. I'll leave links for them in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you were looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.